So here in the list view, we specified a full namespace to our candy list view model. That is not actually necessary. There is nothing wrong with it to do it this way, but it can be cleaned up a little using ViewImport template. And we of course add it to our views folder. So right click views, add, and let's add a class, back to web here, and we want to add Razor ViewImports. And once again, we leave the name as is, which is _ViewImports, because that's a default name that ASP expects. So let's add this. And there's nothing here, it's all blank. But what we can add here are the directives to our namespaces. So we can add a directive to import the candy view model. So we'll use the using statement, and we will import the namespace for the candy shop. So it's gonna be candy shop dot models. So here's where all the main models are, and we can also specify a using statement for the candy shop dot view models. This is where the view models will be. We currently only have one, but we will be adding more. So this is the namespace where the views will be getting the data from. So now we can go to the list, and in our view we can remove candy shop view models and just leave the actual candy list view model, because the path to it or the namespace to it is used in the ViewImports here. It still doesn't recognize it because we just added it, so let's run a build and that should fix it. And it did. You can see now it recognizes it. So let's run it, and you should not see any difference. It should be all the same as it was before. So when we go to candy/list, you can see we still have the list of all of the candy. But our code is now much cleaner. So now I think it's a good time to start actually making this a little prettier. This is really not anything to be pleased about. This is not how the application should look. So let's add a bootstrap to our application.